Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? What is today? Today is Thursday. How are you? What's the weather? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a new color and shape. Let's go. What's this? Blue circle. This is a blue circle. What's this? Green triangle. This is a green triangle. What's this? Purple square. This is a purple square. What's this? Red rectangle. Rectangle. This is a red rectangle. What's this? Orange diamond. This is an orange diamond. What's this? Brown oval. This is a brown oval. Look, a pink heart. Pink heart. What's this? This is a pink heart. Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned this week. Grab the free download in the comments. See you soon.